making history tonight. You were the youngest nominee in your category, now also the youngest winner. Has the reality set in yet how historic this moment is?
No, not at all. I think when I get home and I settle in, get in my bed, I think I'll just look and think, oh my God, what has just happened? Yeah, definitely, yeah. But it's not going to settle in for a long time, But yeah, it's been such a good night. So.
Where are you going to put this thing?
I've got a shelf on my wall where I've got a few awards on, but this is...
What other kind of awards?
This is the biggest one. Like, I got a Gotham Award in New York, but this is just next level.
I thought you were going to say, like, you know, like a soccer or, you know, like track.
He's like, I'm an Emmy Award-winning actor.
I don't know if you know this, like, my Gotham Award is where I'm going to put it next to that.
Yeah.
It's kind of badass if you think about it, right?
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah.
First gig, come on.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to get this on the next one, but hopefully I'm back here. It's been so good, good, yeah.
I mean, you gave such a beautiful, heartfelt acceptance speech too, right? And what really stuck out to me was when you said that 3 years ago, you were nothing. Can I just say for the record, you were always everything. The world is just now getting to see that.
Hello.
Yeah. What did it mean to you to be able to get up there and talk, especially to the kids, the young adults who are seeing something of themselves in you?
Well, hopefully, do you know what? I don't remember any of my speech, but
it was good.
Hopefully, I've inspired people, but I've got no idea. But that's what everyone's here to do, really, inspire people and inspire people to change as well. So, but yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you, we were here with your director.
Phil.
Yes, Phil, when you won your award, when you were announced, and he was more excited than I think anybody else, and maybe even more excited than you, and he was watching your speech with such, he was like, he's such a star, he's such a good guy, and cannot wait to see what else you do. What else is there? What else do you want to do? What's next?
There's a lot of things I want to do, but I have got Wuthering Heights coming out on Valentine's Day. That's going to be a big one, that's a good one. Yeah. I've got a comedy series coming out next month, so yeah, keep eyes out for that. But yeah, that's about it.
We've got some great video of you meeting Jake Gyllenhaal.
Yeah.
Did you know who he was?
Oh, obviously I knew who he was. He was like my hero before I met him, and then yeah, he's such a good guy.
What was that like?
Unbelievable. It was like one of the craziest moments of my life, and I seen him like 10 minutes ago, and it's like, yeah, he's such a good guy.
Are you the cool dude in school? Like, are you like the shy guy in school? Tell me like what your school persona is.
I've got my group of friends, but yeah, I just keep myself to myself. I'm not them people who like go out and say, oh, I'm Owen Cooper, I've been in Adelaide. No, I'm just keep myself to myself, get my grades, and then yeah.
I respect the humility. Now, you know, obviously you're making history tonight, a lot of firsts. You said Jake Gyllenhaal is someone that you love. So we kind of want to go down some of the firsts in your life, right? For tonight, for instance, who is the first person that you felt starstruck by tonight when you got here?
Tonight. Bryan Cranston, I've just seen him then. Breaking Bad is my favorite series of all time. I shouldn't be watching it, but it's my favorite. It is. I was just like, I just looked at him, and then, but Bryan Cranston, I seen Gary Oldman, didn't speak to him.
Okay.
Pedro Pascal, seen him.
Poppy, come on.
Yeah. Oh God, who else? I'm gonna forget someone.
That's a good start.
That's a good start. That's a good Rushmore right there. Okay, give me. How about this one? First person you're gonna call once you get out of here.
Well, everyone at home is in bed. It's like 5 in the morning now. So, when they wake up, I'll ring all my brothers are here, so I'm not sure. I think my dad will ring his mum, so my grandma, so
come on.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know what the vibes look like to celebrate tonight. 15 years old, so we gotta,
pop the bottles.
Hey, we will be
of apple juice,
Sprite. So what is maybe the first bit of fast food, something that you'll eat tonight?
Well, I think we're all flooding in and out when we get out. I've not tried In and Out yet.
Never.
I've tried Chick-fil-A.
How'd you like it?
Yeah, I love Chick-fil-A.
Delicious.
Raising Cane's I've tried.
Game changer.
KFC's better, but
Ooh! Hold on.
Shots fired! Boom, boom, boom.
You said KFC is better than Raising Cane's.
Yeah. Well, I was so hyped. You know what? I'm not going to go
down. He's on the record. It's fine.
Just
it's
10
fine.
toes down on it. 10 toes down.
Stand on business. If it's not clocking at him, it's fine.
Both are good. I hear you. It's a tough race. KFC and Raising Cane's are fire.
What was your first nickname?
My nickname?
Yeah. You get it. You nickname. Do they call it a sick name? A nickname?
Yeah, I know what a nickname is, but like.
Did you have one?
Have you ever had
No,
one?
well, my name's pretty short, so.
Oh, he's like, just call me. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
I mean, it was a great
Yeah.
nickname.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Yeah.
I feel like you're a cool kid. I decided I'm gonna say it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, you showed up to the Emmys. You know what I'm saying? With your tuxedo tracksuit.
Yeah.
You know, I'm with it, man.
Yeah.
Have so much fun tonight.
Thank
truly,
you.
you did
Owen,
something pretty incredible.
Congratulations. Your work was really incredible. We're excited to see what's next for you.